This is an Olivetti Lettera 31. It seems to work well. It does have a few issues. I'll just show using it. Different line advances work. Margin release works. These move freely. The platen seems pretty soft. It's actually in pretty good shape. Different ribbon options work. The right shift key actually just comes right off, so I think it needs to be glued, something like that, but that doesn't affect operation. One thing I noticed is that the carriage lock does not seem to engage, so it won't lock in the center position for transport. But again, that does not affect operation. So one thing I noticed was this is an aftermarket universal ribbon, and it doesn't make tight contact with the thumb wheel here, and that's how contact with this thumb wheel is how it advances. So it, because of that, it doesn't wind onto this wheel because there isn't good contact there. You could fix that by getting either a proper ribbon for an Olivetti or probably just by putting a rubber washer between the thumb screw and the ribbon. So to demonstrate that, right now it's winding onto here, and there's good contact between the ribbon and the thumb screw, so it's able to turn it. However, once it reverses and goes over to here, the thumb wheel is turning, but it isn't making good contact with the ribbon to wind it. So you could either manually wind it onto here and have it wind onto here, replace the ribbon, or put a rubber washer in there. So for now, I'm just having it wind onto this one, which works fine. So the issue seems to be this universal ribbon not having good contact, the loose right shift key, and the carriage lock does not seem to engage, so I can't get it to lock in the center position for transport. But other than that, it seems to work fine.